Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to make a very potent home remedy for dry hair. So if your hair has lost its shine, appears dull, brittle or frizzy simply because it is too dry, then this video is for you, because I'm going to teach you a very simple way to take care of that so that your hair can grow healthily with a beautiful shine. Welcome back. So the first thing we're going to use for this remedy is aloe vera. So in my hands here I have 3 small sized aloe vera plants that I got from the back of my house, and I'm just going to start by cutting out the ends. And before I continue, I want to point out that before you use aloe vera for your hair, make sure you dip the ends that you can see me touch and cut out with a knife in water. It is very important you do that before you use aloe vera on your hair, and that is because whenever you cut aloe vera from the plant, you can notice that there's a yellowish substance that always comes out. So the idea is to put your aloe vera in water and make sure that all that yellowish substance comes out, because that substance you see is not good for your hair. So make sure you don't always skip that part. Always dip your aloe vera in water to get rid of the yellowish substance you always see. So moving on, what I need from this is just the gel. So I'm going to just scoop out the gel from the leaf, and I first of all cut it in small chunks so it will be easier for me to do that. And I first of all cut the aloe vera by the sides to expose the gel, and then I cut out a thin slice of the skin off so the gel will be accessible for me to scoop out. So that is what I'm doing right now. So while I do that, I'm just going to run you guys through with some of the benefits of aloe vera. And remember that we are treating dry hair today, so we're going to talk about some of the benefits of aloe vera and why it is needed for this remedy. So first of all, aloe vera repairs hair strands. Aloe vera takes care of itchy scalp, and we all know that dry hair equals itchy scalp. There's no way you're gonna have dry hair without your scalp being very itchy. So aloe vera takes very good care of itchy scalp. Aloe vera also controls greasy hair. Aloe vera detangles hair. Aloe vera also reduces frizziness, and you remember that frizziness is one of the effects of dry hair. The moment your hair is dry, it tends to be frizzy. So aloe vera takes care of that as well. Aloe vera locks in moisture. Aloe vera smooths natural curls. It promotes hair growth, and it also strengthens and conditions natural hair. So those are the benefits of aloe vera that we're going to talk about in today's video. So at this point, I'm done scooping all the gel from the aloe vera, and this is the quantity we have. I'm not doing a big batch, so this quantity is just enough for me. So the next process is blending the aloe vera. So I just pour that into my blender, and I'm going to blend this until it is smooth, and then we can move on. So at this point, I'm done filtering the aloe vera, and this is what it looks like, no more chaff. So the next ingredient you're going to use is apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar is a very effective treatment for dry hair. It improves scalp health, it strengthens the hair, it enhances shine, it smooths and seals hair cuticles, and by doing that, it just makes your hair reach high shine levels. So I'm going to measure about 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and add to our mixture. So the quantity of aloe vera I have here is 1/4 cup. So I'm going in with about 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to add that into the aloe vera. Moving on, the next ingredient you're going to use is honey. So honey moisturizes dry hair and scalp. Honey reduces hair breakage. It restores shine. It improves the condition of natural hair. It reduces frizz and it softens the hair. Now you can see that almost all the benefits of all the 3 ingredients we've used so far sound almost the same, because most of them are talking about moisturizing dry hair and scalp, restoring shine, and reducing frizz. So they all work the same. And I just added 1 tablespoon of honey into our mixture. So the next thing we are going to use is extra virgin olive oil. Guys, the bottle you see here is olive pomace oil, but the content of this bottle is extra virgin olive oil. The pomace oil is finished, so I just turned in my extra virgin olive oil. I'm pointing that out so that there will be no confusions. So I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil into our mixture, and olive oil reduces hair breakage and prevents dryness. It also improves the quality of the hair and helps it grow much stronger. It prevents the hair from cell damage. It nourishes and also conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. It also helps maintain scalp and hair health. So the next ingredient you're going to use is tea tree essential oil. So tea tree oil helps prevent buildup of chemicals and dead skin. This keeps your hair healthy and moisturized, which can help it grow on its normal rate. It also helps treat dry scalp, it treats dandruff, it prevents hair loss, and it boosts hair growth. So I'm just going to add about 7 to 8 drops of this oil, and adding this is actually optional. And I also added lavender essential oil to this, but somehow I lost the footage. I just discovered that my phone wasn't recording, so I added tea tree oil and lavender essential oil, but these 2 essential oils are completely optional. You can choose not to add them. So this is the mixture we have here, and you're just going to stir this properly until everything is well mixed up. Honey settles at the bottom of this, so make sure you stir it properly until everything is well combined. So just in case you still do want to add lavender essential oil to this mixture, then I'm just going to mention the benefits. It helps promote hair growth. It is antimicrobial. It prevents or kills head lice. It curbs skin inflammation. It soothes and calms the scalp. It has a calming effect, and it has a divine fragrance. So at this point, I'm done with the mixing, and I'm just going to transfer this into my cup so it will be easy for me to transfer it into my bottle. So as you can see, the quantity of this mixture, the entire mixture I made, is half cup, as you can see, and trust me, this is just okay for me. And I'm just going to transfer that into my bottle. So how you're going to use this is, begin applying the mask on your scalp. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. So as you apply it, make sure to massage your scalp thoroughly and leave it for 20 minutes, after which you can rinse it out. And do this for at least once a week. Be consistent with it, and I promise you that you're not going to experience dryness anymore. So that is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a massive thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in my next video.